If you recently upgraded to a new version of Windows, you may have noticed a huge folder called Windows.old on your hard drive. If you're wanting to know how to delete this, you can continue watching this video tutorial to learn more. Now first, using storage settings, you have to open Settings, click System, choose Storage, click Temporary Files, then check the box next to Previous version of Windows. Now after that, click Remove Files and confirm the action by clicking Continue. Now doing this will remove all selected files, including the Windows.old folder that contains your previous version of Windows. You can also use a disk cleanup tool. Simply search for Disk Cleanup, select the drive files you want to delete, click Cleanup System Files, choose the drive again, then check the previous Windows installation box, and click OK to continue. Lastly, use the command prompt. Just search for command prompt with admin rights. Take ownership of the file by typing in the following, then press Enter. Now you have to change permissions to allow deletion. To do this, type in the following, then press Enter. Use the rd command to delete Windows.old. Just type in the following code, then press Enter to permanently delete the folder. Now once you're done doing all of those steps, repeat for additional Windows.old folders. So those are the following ways on how to remove the Windows.old folder from your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.